Hey, what's up? Matt Montgomery here. Hey, today I wanted to make this video real quick and I wanted to talk to you about how to start marketing online. So what do you do if you're brand new to the online world? You want to break in, you want to start making some money, and you want to call yourself an internet marketer, right? What is the best way to get this done? Well, I'm going to talk about two things that you can do. One is going to be doing exactly what I'm doing right here and right now. I am marketing in this video. I'm making content. I'm going to post this on YouTube. People are going to watch this video. People who are interested in searching for the term how to start marketing online, right? So it's something as simple as this, just sitting in my Jeep, in my driveway, making a video, talking to you and letting you know how to get started marketing online. You're going to be like, really? You're just making a video? It's really that simple? Yeah, it's really that simple, right? Put out good content, put out something that's valuable, tell people exactly how to go do it and how to achieve that result, and they're going to love you. They'll be like, hell yeah, this shit works, right? And they're going to continue to come back and follow you and trust you and your brand, okay? And that's what marketing is about. It's about getting people to believe in what you're selling, what you're offering, and start trusting you when you recommend things, okay? If you can get people to constantly like, know, and trust and be your biggest fan of what you're saying or what you're promoting out there online, that's marketing, okay? Another way you could do it, if you're not maybe really that comfortable with making YouTube videos like this, you could also do something which we call the 12-minute affiliate system. There's a system out there. It's a complete done-for-you system. That's a marketing system that will basically do everything that you want for you, right? So if you don't know anything about how to market online, how to set up a website, how to build an email list, how to email your email list, how to run Facebook traffic or anything like that, if you're a complete newbie, which most people are if they're just now getting started online, the done-for-you 12-minute affiliate system I think would be a really good avenue for somebody like you. If that's you, not saying it is, but I would recommend that. If you're somebody who's just like, hey, I've never marketed online, I've never done anything online, I've never made a penny online, how do I get started? I would say the 12-minute affiliate system would be ideal for somebody like you, because you have a whole team of experts that are going to set up everything for you. They're going to set up your emails, they're going to build your traffic, they're going to send you traffic, they're going to build your email list, and they're going to do that whole process and automation for you while you're still working your day job, while you're playing with your kids, while you're on vacation, while you sleep at night. That whole system is going to be done for you, and it only thing it's going to do is cost you $47 a month. That's it. And by the way, you can test drive it for 2 weeks for $9.95. You get 14 days. You can try out the whole system. You don't like it, cancel. You won't be charged anything further. So it's kind of a win-win, right? I'll put a link in the description below if that's something you want to, you're interested in. Just click on the link, check it out. The link below is an affiliate link. If you happen to purchase through that link, I do make a small commission, and that commission does go to supporting and helping this YouTube channel succeed further, okay? The other, like I was talking about before, the other thing you could do would be YouTube videos, right? Ranking in YouTube is a really good way. Doing exactly what I'm doing, just walking around outside, just talking to your phone, talking to your camera, making content, helping people understand what to do and how to do it, right? If somebody is currently searching for this keyword right now, hey, how do I start marketing online? They're gonna find this video. This video is gonna hopefully be helpful to them. They're gonna say, hey, that's really cool. I wanna go check out these things that Matt just recommended to me. What do I need to do? Click the links below in the description, go check them out. If you like them, you purchase them. If you don't, you never have to see them again. It's really that simple. So one of the other ways you could do with YouTube is making money by ranking videos on Google and through SEO, is I would highly recommend investing in a YouTube tool called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy. And I'll put a link to that in the description below as well. I think it's like $10 a month is like their basic plan. I use it, and it's really helped me to be able to dominate over some like major YouTube channels. Like I'm talking like I'll make a video and I could be ranked over another person's video who has like 100,000 views and like 8,000 subscribers, where I only have, you know, like 100 subscribers, and the video that's ranking has maybe like 6 views, but it's because I've optimized my video to exactly what TubeBuddy told me that Google and YouTube want to see, to put my videos at the top, you know, the top search when people go onto YouTube. So when somebody says, hey, how to start marketing online, if you have your videos optimized correctly, you can literally propel your video up to the #1 video on YouTube as soon as somebody types that keyword in. And if you do that correctly, that can give you a lot of traffic, a lot of eyeballs to start seeing your videos, to start seeing the links that you're posting in your descriptions. Maybe you want to drive those people to an offer and you want to make some money. Maybe you want to send those people over to like a Facebook group and start building your Facebook group. Maybe you want to send those people to like a landing page or a website where you can collect their email address. Whatever it is you want to do, you can. So YouTube is a really great way. I would focus on that, but you need something like TubeBuddy to really help you dominate and succeed, because YouTube is getting very competitive. And then if that's something that maybe is a little too overwhelming for you at first, I would highly recommend doing something like the 12-minute affiliate system, where you have a whole team doing everything for you completely on the backside, in the background, automating, and you don't have to do anything but just pay a little small fee and let them do all the work for you. So hey, my name's Matt. If you guys like this video, if it was helpful or valuable, or you like this type of information or content, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I post out more videos like this. Hit the subscribe bell, like, share. I appreciate you guys watching. Go get it done, take action. I'll post those links below for you. All right, talk to you soon.